Okay, so welcome to Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. All right, we have another word problem that we're going to work on. So this is about a bunch of meat. All right, let's get ourselves in the mode of problem solving and what we have to do in order to be successful. Okay, so on Thursday, we should have done this on Thursday. On Thursday, the Meat King Market sold 210 pounds of ground beef. No, the beef did not get into trouble. Okay, you know what ground means. Comes from grind, break it up, chop it up, chop it up, chop meat. On Friday, they sold twice that amount. On Saturday, they only sold 130 pounds. How much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday? Show your work and label your answer. Okay, so we've got days of the week, we've got a whole bunch of information here, and there's going to be one part that's the only challenge here. All right, so Thursday, we know they sold 210 pounds of ground beef. Friday, they sold twice that amount. I'm circling it, twice that amount. That's a key point. On Saturday, they only sold 130 pounds. How much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3 bits of information. All right, and we have to figure out, we have to figure out a whole bunch of steps. We have to figure out each day, what did they sell on Friday? Okay, we know what they sold on Saturday. We know what they sold on Thursday, but we don't know what they sold on Friday. But we do know that they sold twice the amount that they sold on Thursday. So we have to figure out what's twice the amount of what they sold on Thursday. So you have a bunch of steps. Again, you need to go step by step. You need to be deliberate. You need to be careful. You need to use your information. You need to take your time. You need to be thorough. You need to ask yourself questions. You need to answer those questions. You need to check your work. Does it make sense? Okay? So the question you have to ask then is did they sell more meat on Friday than Saturday? Yes or no? That will help you. And if they did sell more meat on Friday than Saturday, how much more? But first you have to figure out how much meat they sold on Friday. That's the key point for this whole thing, because we know how much they sold on Thursday. We know how much they sold on Saturday. This is what we don't know. And we do know but we do know that they sold twice the amount on Friday. They sold twice the amount of meat than on Thursday. And Thursday we know 210 pounds. So we have to figure out what is twice 200 and what is twice of that. Okay? Good luck.